Hi guys, Mark from Custom Dynamics. Got the Lowrider ST back in here to install a couple more products we got for it. We got the fairing vent lights, we're gonna install those. And we also have the center vent trim piece here, the little decorative piece. Both about the same installation, real quick and easy. So let's get at it. First thing we gotta do is get this fairing off, which we've done before in the previous videos when I installed the Sharp Demon. Remove the 6 windshield screws. There's 6 here on the back side of the inner fairing. You'll pull it out, unplug the headlight. We'll set this off so it's in a safe spot. Won't get any damage. I'm gonna pull this off and get it set up so we can start the install. All right, we got the fairing off. Unplug the light, all that good stuff. We'll put we'll do the center trim piece here first. We're gonna clean off this surface down here because we do have a little bit of 3M tape on there that we're gonna put to hold it in good. We just want to clean that area, and this is simply, you'll see a lip on the inside of here. We just want to slide that up into place and it'll sit like so. So let's, I already cleaned it. We'll clean that off with some denatured alcohol, let it sit, dry out. Peel off the red protective tape there. I will slide it up, push down, hold it, and just like that. Simple install. Like I said, usually, if you're buying the vent lights, go ahead and get this too because it's all in the same spot. It's really easy, looks good, matches. But that's how easy that is to do. Now we'll move on to the fairing vent lights. First thing you want to do, find out where the turn signal connector is, which is here. Just JAE, unplug that. Our harness is going between it. Then you're going to look for the 1T10 torque screw, and we must remove the stock foam off of here because it will cause a problem. So just go ahead and peel that off. It comes off really super easy. Get that out of the way. And we'll get the wire down a little bit too because you don't want it to get in the way. Remove the T10 here. I'm going to save that because we are going to reuse it. It's small, don't drop it. Set that here. Get our vent light. Simply put it in its place here. It fits really nice and tight. Get the stock OEM screw, get it started. Press the pin there. Get it started. You can move this around, snap into place. It's up there nice and tight. And tighten up the screw. Don't need to go crazy with it. It just sits in place, sits there real nice. Run our wires back. Plug into the stock harness. Then we also put some cable ties with it, so you want to kind of tie up the cable, the excess harness here with the cable tie so you don't get a pinch or frayed or any of that stuff. We'll get those tied up, and then we'll turn them on, see if they work. Then I'll put the fairing back on and show you how the operation goes. All right, guys, that'll do it for the installation of the Lowrider ST fairing vent lights and the center vent trim decorative piece. Looks great, amazing. Let's turn them on and check them out. Turn them on, they're white. You get the indicator. They turn to amber. The more lights you have, the better. And as always, you can pick these products up at your local drag specialty dealer, and of course, CustomDynamics.com.